Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Yeezy 500 by Adidas and Kanye West in the Taupe colorway. Before I start the video, stop what you're doing and head over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. We are super close to 10,000 subscribers, less than 50 now. It's free, it takes less than 1 second, and let's hit that goal of 10,000 as soon as possible. Back to the shoes, these are the Yeezy 500 Taupe Light. These released on the 5th of June 2020, here in the UK for the retail price of £170. This pair is 100% authentic from the Adidas Confirmed app, and it comes in your brown Yeezy slide out box with 500 at the top. Sliding out the box comes with shoes wrapped in beige Yeezy paper, no extra accessories or laces, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Like its name suggests, this is a light Taupe Yeezy 500. With a tonal look to its mostly suede upper, hits of padded perforated mesh, and synthetic leather overlays. The 500 is the most comfortable Yeezy in my opinion due to its this time matching light Taupe, ultralight insoles with Yeezy branding, as well as the slightly darker Taupe chunky adibrine outsole that offers great energy return, traction and support. But one drawback is this shoe is not the most breathable due to its premium suede upper. Also, you might see some light glue stains at the toe area, which isn't also great. So the question is, are these the 2 pairs minimum? I still have my OG Blush 500 from back in April 2018. Shameless plug, I do have a review on that pair too if you want to watch that after this video. As you can see, these are pretty similar. Maybe the light Taupe pair went on holiday and came back with a little bit of a tan. Jokes aside, they're not quite a 2 pairs minimum, but it's a clean blush alternative if you don't have that pair. So if you do plan on picking these up, I recommend going up at least half a size like I did in the video. If you are buying on StockX, please use my affiliate link in the description and comment. Speaking of comments, don't forget to comment like to show me you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you managed to pick these up, did you miss out or did you pass? It's at Samuel Sagwa on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.